petri dish. Life blooms in glass. Cells are the basic unit of life. DNA is a double helix. Adenine pairs with thymine. Cytosine pairs with guanine. Humans carry about 3.2 billion base pairs across 23 chromosome pairs. Genes are transcribed by RNA polymerase into messenger RNA. Ribosomes rate codons 5' to 3' and build polypeptides with transfer RNA. Rough endoplasmic reticulum and chaperones full proteins. Golgi tags and shit. Mitochondria make most ATP through oxidative phosphorylation. Electron transport pumps protons. ATP synthetics spins and click. Cut it, splice it. CRISPR finds a 20 base guide. Cas9 makes a double strand break at a PAM site. PCR the natural real extend bands run on shells by size. We can trace the code across the diagram. Where the fuck is the soul? We got the data but it leaves a hole. Where the fuck is the soul? Search the code but we still don't know. Where the fuck is the soul? Tell me science or let it go. Where the fuck is the soul? Neurons fire action potentials. Sodium rushes in, potassium flows out. Calcium at terminals triggers vesicles. Exototosis relays. Glutamate hits AMPA and MDA lets calcium in. Long-term potentiation builds memories. The hippocampus helps consolidate. Prefrontal cortex steers decisions. Damage the tissue, change the minds. Burns it on, it can shift. If something extra lies here, why there's a legend? Rewrite the script. Cut it, splice it. Crimson finds a 20 base guide. Cas9 makes a double strand break at a PAM site. PCR that at your nail and extend bands run on gels by size. We can trace the code across the diagram. Where the fuck is the soul? We got the data but it leaves a hole. Where the fuck is the soul? Search the code but we still don't know. Where the fuck is the soul? Tell me science or let it go. Where the fuck is the soul? Bacteria divide by binary fission. Plasmids move genes around. Horizontal transfer, conjugation, transformation, transduction. Gram-positive, think peptidoglycan with teichoic acids. Gram-negative, outer membrane with LPS and toxin. Archaea thrive in extremes and live in us. They use different membrane lipids. Viruses are cellular, hijack host ribosomes to replicate. Civic traits dominant follow formations and gactulates. E. coli can double in about 20 minutes in rich media at a optimal temperature. Red blood cells in mammals inject nuclei and mitochondria. Hemoglobin team iron binds oxygen exchange happens at alveoli surfaces. Homeostasis runs on feedback. Insulin lowers blood glucose. Glucagon raises honey bentonite theanine methylation and extort modifications to expression. Apoptosis uses caspises. Membranes blib. Fragments get cleaned up. These are mechanisms will conduce us. Every time reproduce. Show me the extra thing and in the machinery. We're chemistry ingredients. Charges and folds. Patterns that learn. Wire and hold. Where the fuck is the soul? We got the data but it leaves a hole. Where the fuck is the soul? Search the code but we still don't know. Where the fuck is the soul? Tell me science or let it go. Where the fuck is the soul? I'm a biologist, I study cells, molecules, brains. Stop asking me about the fucking soul. We cut the tissue, we stain the slides, we run the gels and track the signals, and guess what? No soul! You want philosophy? Fine. Plato thought it was eternal. Descartes said it sat in the pineal gland. Can't turn it into some moral ghost. But But you know what? None of that holds up under a microscope. You want biology? Then you get biology. Cells, genes, proteins, sequences, ecosystems. You don't get ghosts.